Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook giniling. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant, which takes about 30 seconds. Then, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and cook until it softens, usually for about 2 minutes. This foundational step builds the flavor base for your delicious giniling. Now, add 500 grams of ground pork to your pan. Break it apart with your spoon, ensuring it cooks evenly. Continue to stir and sauté the pork for about 8 to 10 minutes until it turns a light brown color and all the pinkness is gone. Drain any excess oil if necessary, leaving just enough to keep the mixture moist and flavorful. Next, add 1 medium potato, peeled and diced into small cubes, along with 1 medium carrot, also diced. Stir these vegetables into the pork mixture. Pour in 150 milliliters of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add about 1/4 cup of water, bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Finally, incorporate 1 large bell pepper, diced, and about 1/2 cup of frozen green peas. Cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, or until the bell peppers are slightly tender crisp. Taste the giniling and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Your flavorful giniling is now ready to be enjoyed, offering a comforting and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.